Well, strategies have already begun ahead of the big national polls. KT Ramarao-led TRS delegation will meet YSRCP Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy. This meeting is expected to take place at 12:30 in the afternoon to hold talks for a federal front. As part of the Telangana Chief Minister KCR's efforts to form a federal front, a 4-member TRS team will be meeting YSRCP Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy in Hyderabad to hold talks over forming an alliance. TRS delegation will include the party president KTR, member of the parliament B. Vinod, Palla Rajeshwar Reddy and Shravan Kumar Reddy. Both Telugu parties know that if they win significant numbers in Andhra and Telangana, which sends 42 MPs together to Delhi, they can play the role of being the kingmaker. Asaduddin Owaisi's AIM has already announced its open support to both the TRS and YSRCP. Ashish joins us for more on this. Ashish, this is going to be the first direct talks between both the leaders of the two parties since KCR floated the idea of a federal front being an alternative to the BJP and the Congress. What can one expect?
Yes, Avantika, you are absolutely right. Earlier last week, we were talking to YSR Congress Party Chief YS Jagan Mohan Reddy at the very last day of his 3,000 over kilometer Padayatra, and he clearly said that he is very much looking forward toward federal front of KCR. And yesterday, KCR, the TRS chief and Chief Minister of Telangana, he appointed his son and working president K. Tarak Ramarao to hold a direct talk with Jagan Mohan Reddy, and today both the leaders will be meeting at 12:30 at Jagan Mohan Reddy's residence at Lotus Pond in Hyderabad. What we are gathering that both the parties are very much firm and very much clear that they have the magic key of 2019, and if they get significant number of MPs from Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh, and if they win somewhere around 30 seats altogether, because Andhra Pradesh and Telangana altogether sends 42 MPs, then their part and their role will be crucial in Delhi. On the very other hand, TRS chief is also in touch with Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav, and what party sources, TRS party sources are telling that very soon Akhilesh Yadav will be flying in here in Hyderabad to hold talk with KCR.
And it would also be very important for Andhra Pradesh as well. Their prospects increase in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Could there be a possibility of the two even talking of them working together in Andhra Pradesh and taking on their common enemy, that's the TDP and Chandrababu Naidu?
Yes, Avantika, we can recall that how after winning a crucial Telangana poll, TRS chief K. Chandrasekhar Rao clearly said that he'll go and campaign in Andhra Pradesh, and he'll ensure that TDP lose power there in Andhra Pradesh. On the very other hand, MIM and the trusted ally of TRS, its chief Asaduddin Owaisi, who is Hyderabad MP, he has also announced that he'll campaign for YSR Congress Party in Andhra Pradesh. He'll share dais with Jagan Mohan Reddy, the YSR Congress Party president and leader of opposition in Andhra Pradesh. So clearly, all political strategies are being planned. Of course, in Andhra Pradesh, if we talk about Jagan Mohan Reddy is clearly standing with TRS, and TRS see TDP as its enemy number one.
Absolutely. Ashish, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us and getting us an update on that meeting that is to take place today at 12:30. However, all is reportedly not well between the Congress and the RJD as reports of a tussle is emerging over seat sharing. Congress has put RJD and all the other parties in the Mahagathbandhan on notice over seat sharing in the state of Bihar. Congress reportedly has said that all the parties will have to compromise in order to defeat the BJP in the general elections. Meanwhile, Tejasvi Yadav, during a feast with other leaders of the Mahagathbandhan on Tuesday, reaffirmed that the Congress is very much a part of the Bihar Mahagathbandhan. But according to sources, the formula for seat sharing in this Mahagathbandhan has been reached, with the RJD likely to contest on 18 to 20 seats, the Congress 8 to 12 seats, the RLSP on 4 to 5 seats. The Hindustani Awam Morcha and the Loktantrik Janata Dal on 1:3 seats each.
कांग्रेस बड़ी पार्टी है देश में, और यूपी में बड़ी पार्टियां आपकी समाजवादी पार्टी बसपा है, दोनों का नेतृत्व है। तालमेल कैसे आगे बढ़े नहीं बढ़े वो दोनों आपको फैसला करना है, इसमें हम क्या जा करके कूद करके हम करेंगे। जहां तक हमारी जिम्मेदारी है बिहार को लेकर के, हम लोगों ने बड़ी मजबूती के साथ यहाँ महागठबंधन बनाया है। कांग्रेस जो है पुरानी अलायंस पार्टनर रही है और पुराना संबंध है।
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.